can spend my money. Spend my money. I don't care. I care, Papa. Okay, so I just got myself some hair items. Like, why not? By now you should know this, right? If you don't know, well, I am about to unwrap it. So unbox with me. Unbox with me. Here's my scissors. I'm so happy. God. There's my name right here. My name is right here. I bought these items from Jackson. I mean, I keep telling you guys that I'm so invested in my hobbies, and I'm not about to really go slow with this dream that I have. You already know, right? It's about to go down. Is the face nice? I can see the face because I'm not seeing the face. Is she nice? Is she nice? Ah, she has pink lips. Oh my god. So this is my invoice. I'm going to tell you how much I spent on each of these items. So make sure you watch the end, okay? Some items are beneath, so I'm just going to remove them one by one. And like, we'll be overwrapping this one as well. Stay tuned. Like, where are you going? Are you interested? What's this? This is a cow or something? Like, I shouldn't even be shy. Hey. Hey. Hold on, I'll show you everything. Just hold on. So everything is off from this. Put it somewhere. And let me put hair somewhere. We'll come back to this one later, but let me introduce a smaller item that I got, and then we'll come back to this big sister. You're not the only one who wants to see her face. Wait, hold on. So, come forward. I got this got to be glue. Like, it's a blasting free spray. I'm going to be using it for a lot of things, especially to slick ponytails. Okay, I'm going to be doing some quick ponytails that you can be doing on the go, so do stay tuned for what I'm going to be using this for. I'll come back to the prices later, or maybe I should be doing it as I move along, right? So with this got to be glue spray, I got it for, let me look at my invoice, I got it for 35 Ghana cedis. 35 Ghana cedis. Yep. And then I also got this is the cover. This is also a hairspray. It's called Tresemme or Tresemme. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. It's actually a hairspray, extra hold, long lasting finish brushes. It brushes out easily, fast drying. So this is normally used to hold curls. You spray on the wig and then you curl it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I have a lot of wigs that I'm going to be curling, including this one and one of the wigs that I am doing. I'm going to show you. So this is going to be used for that very purpose. And for this one, the holding spray, I also got this one for 35 Ghana. So I got this one for 35 Ghana. And then I got an edge control. This is by Jocelyn. This would be my first time to be using it. It smells It smells good. So that's what I'm going to be using it for, like edge control. Oh, it's thick, guys. It's so thick. It's so thick. It's thick, and it smells good. Like, that's how it looks like. I really hope that it works. I've seen a lot of hairstylists use it on IG, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing as well, and hopefully it works for me as well. Oh, I got the Jocelyn edge control for 15 Ghana cedis, 15 Ghana cedis. And I also bought these wig mesh cups. This is mesh for making wig, okay? For making wig, I got 4 of them. One is, let me see, one is 4 cedis 50 pesos. So this one is 4 Ghana cedis 50 pesos, and I got 4 of them. So altogether costed me 18 Ghana cedis. Yeah, I like the fact that it is adjustable, so when you wear it and you feel that it is too big, you can close it at the back, and this is how it looks like. And I also got these rubber bands. So when I went to the US, I bought some rubber bands, and the first time I'm experiencing an item from the US which is so fake. It kept anytime I use a rubber band, then it begins to pop out, like it pops out anyhow. So I got these ones. These are very, very tiny. I really hope that they are strong. Let me see. Let me test it. I really hope they are strong, because the ones I got, I bought some items from I bought it from Target. If you're familiar with US stores, you should know Target. I bought from Target, and they were popping out, like as soon as I put on my hair, it pops out. But this one, it looks like, okay, it looks like they are strong. I like that they're very, very tiny. It will be almost impossible to see it under the hair. So I'm going to be trying it with some long braids, okay, like big long braids. I also got this one for, let me see. Oh, 10 Ghana cedis. I wasn't expecting it to be that. It's 10 Ghana cedis. I wasn't expecting it to be that high, but anyway, there are a lot, so I guess it's worth it, right? So yeah, that's what I got. So I got these pierceable pins. So these pins are normally used to pierce through canvas to make waves. Okay, this is how they look like. This is it. One pack is 4 Ghana cedis. So all in all, these are 20 Ghana cedis. 20 Ghana cedis for the pins. And then I also got this tweezer for plucking my frontals and closures. I got it for 4 Ghana cedis. Oh, 4 Ghana cedis. Just 4 Ghana cedis. So yes, tweezer. And then this is Jocelyn Melt Kit. I like the packaging, like it's so cute. Oh, what? So this inside, this is lace glue remover. So this whole box here is a frontal kit. It is used to install closures and wigs and what have you. Okay, so this, everything in here is used to work on the hair, and this one is Jocelyn lace glue remover. So after you have laid down your lace, your frontal, this is what you are going to use. Spray on the frontal where you have the glue, and then everything will come off. It will be my first time to use this kit, and again, I've seen a lot of hairstylists using it as well, so hopefully it does wonders for me as well. And then we have the Jocelyn hair wax stick. Let me open it. It looks chic, right? Oh, it actually has a cover. Wow, this is neatly packaged. Like, this is neatly packaged, guys. I thought it was just the wax, but it looks like something is covering it. Let me see. Oh, like, so there's this button here. You can twist in it. It's making it pop up, And let me see, close it up. Oh, it's actually coming. This is in person. And then I think we have the last item. This is the lace glue actually. I won't open it till I'm ready, guys. Alright. Oh, it has one more item. And everything is gone. Good. Okay. 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 What is this? What's it used for? I don't know. Is it like a hairband? I don't like, honestly, I don't know what it's used for. Is it like a hairband? I don't know what it's used for. Or like as you hang it. Graduate. Jocelyn graduate. I don't know, like what's it used for, guys? Tell me, like, do you know? Or maybe I should hang it behind me. Honestly, I don't know what it's used for, but thank you to them. Yeah. So with the frontal kit, I got it for 140 Ghana cedis, of course. Everything for 140 Ghana cedis. Alright, so that is that for the small items that we got. Now, okay, I'm waiting oral here. Her face is covered. Like, why? Why is her face covered? She is so pretty. Like, she's so pretty. Can I see? Like, she has eyelashes. She has eyelashes. Do you have eyelashes? She has eyelashes. Oh my god. And she has pink lips. I'm told you can do makeup on her, but I think she still looks good without makeup. Her natural, the makeup she came with still looks good anyway. So I don't know how. I don't think I'll be applying makeup on her face because she looks good. Also, the net is actually stuck onto the head. Okay. This is how the back looks like. And this is the face. Oh my goodness. She has eyelashes, so. What should we call her? What should we call her? I would call her Diana. Diana is my brand name, like, for all the businesses that I would establish. Yes, I'm manifesting it in Jesus' name. For all the businesses that I would establish, they would be called Diana. And my company's name is going to be called Diana Group of Companies. So I am calling this mannequin Diana, okay? Yeah, her name is Diana. Okay, hello. Okay. I got this one for 150 Ghana cedis, 150, and I can say that it is actually on the lower side because I saw some items on other platforms, and it's not a joke. Some are very expensive. And talk about the fact that you can actually apply makeup on hair is very, very good. Just that it is not pierceable. Okay, it's not pierceable. Alright, so these are the items that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. If you're not following me on TikTok, please do follow. It's at the Juliana Amoateng and on Instagram. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.